Sometimes you're short of space and you really need to work your text so that it fits on fewer lines. This is where hyphenation helps. You could have text which is left justified, ragged right as it is sometimes referred to, centre and left justified, and fully justified. When you have fully justified text with long words and narrow columns, this can create rivers of white, which flow down through the text areas, not ideal. You can solve this problem by turning on the auto hyphenation feature, up here on the end of the text tool flyout. Place your cursor in the paragraph you want to fix and click to turn it on. It's a simple on-off toggle. If you use the text tool a lot, you might want to make the flyout permanently visible. Go to Window, Bars, Extended Text Info Bar, and the change will take effect the next time the program is restarted. So now we've turned auto hyphenation on, you can see that the rivers of white artifact has been cleaned up by introducing a couple of hyphenations here and there. And with left justified text, you can lose a lot of the ragged right by using auto hyphenation. To take a look at the hyphenation settings, click the spell check icon here and choose the settings option from the menu. Now, looking at the settings dialog, you can see there are options for controlling the size of the shortest word that can be hyphenated, as well as how far from the beginning and end of a word hyphens can be introduced. You almost certainly wouldn't want a word with less than 6 letters hyphenated, and you'd want the hyphenation to be more or less in the middle of the word too, so that's the default setting. Adjusting the hyphenation zone will change the degree of raggedness before hyphenation is applied. So, for example, with left justified text, this would be the size of the margin to the right that would be empty. Increasing the zone allows less hyphenation, and you can express the values as a percentage or as an absolute value, as in pixels, millimeters, and so on. Use the consecutive hyphens fields to limit the number of consecutive lines that can end in hyphenated words. The attenuation setting specifies a soft limit on this, so that you can set a balance between having consecutive hyphenated lines and lots of white spaces on following lines. A useful value is between 5 and 10%. Values higher than 20% often stop consecutive hyphens appearing at all. The final 3 checkbox options allow you to choose whether words in all caps, capitalised words, and the last words in a paragraph can be hyphenated or not. Additionally, it's possible to compile a list of words which either you don't want to be hyphenated or hyphenated in a particular way. Click on the button here and add words you don't want to be hyphenated at all, and add words you want hyphenated in a particular way, with a tilde at the point you want the word to break at.